What's good, y'all? This is Himizu on the beat here with the tutorial, and today I'm going to be showing y'all how to put a slowdown effect on your audio track using Logic Pro X. Before we get started, if you could like and subscribe and drop a comment, let me know if this video helped in any way. That'd be much appreciated. With that being said, let's get into it. Okay, so first, what you're going to want to do, you want to take your MIDI file, whatever you want to put the effect on, you got to export it as an audio file. So just select whatever sounds you want, go to File, Export, and then Selection as an audio file. I already have mine already bounced out to it and exported as an audio file, so you just go to your Finder or whatever folder you save it in, and you're going to open up a new audio file and you're going to drag and drop it there. Alright, once you got that there, you're going to go up here to your toolbar and you're going to select the fade tool. Once you select that, you're going to go over to the side, and y'all's will probably say fade out at the begin with, but you're going to click that and you're going to switch it to slow down. Once you got that, you're going to come over to the end of the file that you dragged and dropped, and you're going to see this double arrow icon. What you're going to do is you're going to click and you're going to drag. Now I'm stopping mine right here just because I got my snare roll right here and that's just where I want it to stop at. But as you can see, you can drag this all the way down the file if you want. Once you got that in place, you can highlight the slope, and if you drag it up and down, you can bend it down, you can bend it up. So pretty much this is personal preference, whatever you like the sound of, you're just going to have to play with it a little bit to see what it's going to sound like. So at this moment, this is what mine sounds like. You can drag it up. I think it'll slow down slower when you bring it up like that, and then when you drag it down, let's see. Well, there you go, guys. If you could like and subscribe to this video, drop a comment, and I'll have more tutorials coming soon. Thank y'all. Take it easy.